Is Montessori suitable for all children, including those who are neurodivergent or have additional needs? The answer is yes. When practiced with understanding and flexibility, Montessori can be beautifully inclusive. But before we go further, if you are not sure what neurodivergent means, or want to understand the different profiles it includes, such as autism, ADHD, or sensory needs, we have a separate video explaining all of that. You can watch it in our Brain Behind Montessori series. Now, let's explore how Montessori environments meet children exactly where they are, especially when they process the world differently. Neurodivergent is a term that describes people whose brains work differently, in ways that affect how they think, learn, feel, or process the world around them. This can include autism spectrum conditions, ADHD, dyslexia and other learning differences, sensory processing challenges, developmental delays, speech and language difficulties. It is not about being less than, it is about being different. These differences deserve to be respected and supported. Dr. Maria Montessori believed that education should follow the child, not the other way around. That idea opens the door to including children with all kinds of needs and strengths. Montessori classrooms are not designed to make children fit into a system. They are designed to adapt to each child's rhythm, pace, and way of learning. Montessori environments are calm, predictable, and hands-on. These features support regulation, focus, and independence. Instead of rushing or interrupting, Montessori guides observe quietly. They notice how each child responds and adjust their support gently and respectfully. A child who is easily overstimulated might benefit from a quiet work corner or a visual schedule. Another child might thrive with freedom to repeat an activity many times without being rushed. The prepared environment reduces sensory overload, encourages choice, and gives children the structure they need to feel safe and confident. When adaptations are needed, like simplified instructions, sensory tools, or quieter workspaces, a responsive Montessori guide can make those changes with care and respect. Montessori does not try to fix differences. It honors them. Every child brings their own pattern of strengths, sensitivities, and potential. By removing pressure to compete, perform, or conform, Montessori allows every child to flourish, not in spite of their differences, but through them. And brain science supports this too. Children learn best when they feel calm, connected, and competent. These are the conditions Montessori helps create. Of course, not every Montessori school is equally trained or equipped to meet every need. It is important for families to observe, ask questions, and choose what feels right. But when done well, Montessori offers a respectful, flexible, and empowering space where neurodivergent children are not just included, they are truly understood.